Hugo Lloris starts in goal. He's conceded only 5 goals and kept 5 clean sheets in his 8 Premier League appearances. Alderweireld makes his 100th Spurs appearance today. Vertonghen comes in as a centre-back. He's played left-back against Madrid midweek. Trippier and Aurier will play in the wide positions, and both are comfortable either side. So we'll look if they switch positions. And the rise of the other Harry.
Martino for certain, Liverpool.
Yeah, I've got a smile on my face right now. This back line doesn't change from the last game in the league. There's some changes forward, where you have Wijnaldum struggling because of an injury picked up in training, and James Milner, because there's actual options, viable options at the left-back position this season, has been moving into the midfield. And this midweek performance where they're...
It feels like a big occasion under the arch at Wembley. Here come Tottenham and Liverpool. Just moments ago here at Wembley, the great Diego Maradona taking his seat in the royal box, ready for this enticing encounter this afternoon. And a few moments ago, time with your family on the sofa, wherever you are in the United States. Welcome to Wembley. Mauricio Pochettino. Some finds Trippier. Harry Kane. Still Kane. Harry Kane scores! There's a home goal for Harry Kane in the Premier League, and his rich vein of scoring form continues. A dream start for Tottenham Hotspur here. 4 minutes in, Tottenham 1, Liverpool 0.
Well, lots of looking at each other from Martin, Lovren, the defence. The ball, Harry Kane's just standing there. He's just having a look. What's going to happen? Far side, Gomez playing him onside. The ball comes through, he lets it go, Lovren. Martin can't get there.
A misjudgment from Lovren again. Here's Kane. Son on the far side. 2-0. Absolutely devastating counter-attacking football by Tottenham Hotspur, and they are tearing Liverpool apart. And Dejan Lovren has had a nightmare first 11 minutes here. Spurs 2, Liverpool 0. It's electrifying stuff.
Well, there's a wry smile on Klopp's face, and I'm pretty sure that gaze is at this man.
Eriksen curls it in. Here's a chance for Son. No, he's hit the crossbar. Talk about warm knives through butter. That's Tottenham against this Liverpool rearguard at the moment.
Well, they go asleep. Free kick. Look at them standing around. Cham's looking at the referee. Too late, mate. The free kick's been taken.
Did he draw the foul from Firmino? No. And Moreno slides it through looking for Salah, and he could be in. Mo Salah! Off the post and in! It's 2-1. Liverpool are back in it. Mo Salah scores yet again. His 5th goal in the Premier League this season. Was it a foul on Harry Kane at the start of the move? It doesn't matter, it's 2-1.
But also, I don't think Salah thinks he's going to get this, because I think Lloris should come for this. If his starting position is right, the goalkeeper gets that. He doesn't, he backs off. It's a scruffy finish, but it's a good finish. Goes in the corner, not so sure that's a foul. And this ball, Lloris comes for it, I think he gets...
Coutinho. He can hit them from here, but he goes to the back post looking for Salah, and it's saved by Lloris. At Barca, exceeding the $1 billion mark. Son down the middle. Heung-min Son! Saved by Mignolet, and the ricochet came off Lovren, and Mignolet saved again.
Well, Lovren can't get off quick enough. He's got caught again. He sees him, he looks to go up. So I'm just going to have a look at him now going off to see whether he's going to have a...
He's gone back to centre-back. Or inside to centre-back with Oxlade-Chamberlain trapped by Aurier. He's round him. Mo Salah. The cross comes in. Lloris does very well.
Yeah.
Oxlade-Chamberlain was there or thereabouts in the 6-yard box.
Good blocking in at that near post.
Trippier left on the ground, writhing. Andre Mariner said no free kick. Thinks about the shot. Turns inside of Eriksen. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Moreno towards the back post. Harry Kane, Son alongside him. Still Harry Kane against Gomez. Turns away. Still Harry Kane on the right foot. He just drags it wide.
Well, you know at some point...
Shock. Here's Salah. Here's Milner. To the back post, Firmino. And it was well defended by Trippier to concede the corner.
It's a good ball.
Coutinho to take. Gomez had gone in at the back post. And it's a corner. Not many deep. The volley from Henderson was a good one. It's Vertonghen who is climbing slowly to his feet, having blocked it. The ship and got back into the game after what was a torrid start. Salah, he could be through again. Lloris does come out this time more assertively. Lovely chest control pass to Eriksson from Delhi. Eriksson tries to spring it through the eggs in the Virgil van Dijk basket, didn't he? No backup plan and no centre-back signed in the summer. Is that a foul? Yep. And I think Andre Mariner has seen enough and brandishes the yellow card for Emre Can, the auxiliary right back here for Liverpool. Eriksson. Oh, there's a chance. The volley, the goal! Dele Alli on the stroke of half-time. He hadn't scored for 5 Premier League games. That drought is over. What a half of football we've seen in front of a potential record crowd. Liverpool got themselves back into the game, but it's a 2-goal deficit again now. Tottenham 3, Liverpool 1.
Well, he made it.
With virtually the final kick of the first half, with Dejan Lovren substituted by Jurgen to centre-back and Emre Can to right-back. Spurs managed as many goals in 43 first, 29th in the Premier League here this season. Mignolet gets that clear. Alderweireld. Still, it's taken a flick. Dele coming to the near, so too Alderweireld. And Kane had just dropped outside of the 6-yard box.
Yeah, there's a chance. Anything's a chance when he gets his head on. Just look at his position. He's far post and he just sneaks.
There's an opportunity. The ball stood up to the back post. Salah is there and it's over his head. Now Milner. Look out for Vertonghen at the back post. And it goes. Mignolet. Vertonghen! Cleared off the line. Surely Harry Kane 4-1. He's done it again. And Tottenham Hotspur are starting to feel very much at home at Wembley Stadium. 10 minutes into the second half, Kane scores his second of the game. It's Tottenham 4, Liverpool 1.
Well, look at Vertonghen on the far post. No one's marking him. The ball bounces to him, flicks it up.
Kane. But so too Son, Heung-min Son, being chased here by Henderson. He cuts inside, and it's a to Old Trafford. Chance on the edge of the penalty area. Coutinho. There is space out on his left-hand side for Moreno, and it goes towards Firmino. Marauding forward again here, Tottenham. Harry Kane towards the penalty area. Still Harry Kane. Shot is blocked. Son, can he pick up the pieces? No. Does so is Oxlade-Chamberlain. Running here at Trippier.
Look who's chasing back.
Harry Kane.
He's just had a shot in the D at one end, and he's just put Oxlade-Chamberlain under pressure.
Clear, well, not quite clear from Vertonghen. Coutinho with a chance on the edge of the penalty area. Oh, what a save! Oh, that's extraordinary from Lloris, and he palms it onto the post. Well, Lee Dixon marks out of 10.
I'm going to take my time on this one.
Freeze there. It's too late. We've got to take your first answer. Here's another opportunity and an easier save this time by Lloris. He had to gather it with Firmino lurking Premier League goal of the season, and well, maybe more than 76,000 people are on their feet to applaud his performance today, replaced by Moussa Sissoko. Milner. Salah, lovely flick. Milner continues his run at the near post with his feet, Hugo Lloris. Coutinho again, and step over, wriggling away. There's the shot, and it's saved by Lloris. It looked menacing when it left the boot of Philippe.
This afternoon's attendance at Wembley Stadium is 80,827. That is a new Premier League record. Thank you for your fans.
And keeps it in play. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Salah! Saved again by the feet of Hugo Lloris. Can back to Mignolet. Oxlade-Chamberlain at the start. Dejan Lovren withdrawn, and he played the rest of his minutes. Here's Sturridge. Salah. Still Salah. And there's the challenge from Aurier. He gave away a penalty during the week in the Champions League.
But yeah, they're behind where he would expect them to be.
Respect between the two managers. Harry Kane in the form of his life. It just keeps getting better and better. 2 goals today and an emphatic win.